Hello everyone, this is Alsa Babapul from KinneriPrajapati.com. This is HIL, that is Hyderabad Industrial Limited weekly time frame chart that you can see and is very important for long-term traders. Let us understand the technical analysis of it. Here I'm going to draw a parallel channel to know the trend going on. Let's get started. You all can see I'm drawing a parallel channel and in it I'm adding a value area in which supply is equal to demand where buyers and sellers are satisfied. It's great. Here it is a downside axis in the main value area where the price is going out of the parallel channel. It is a sign of reversal. Axis is an amount of something that is more than desirable. I'm labeling it with a curve and the proper name. In the downside, sellers are in force. While looking at the down price, buyers enter the market trying to push the price ahead. Let us move to the value area. In this, we can see the price has already broken up and moving upwards. The place where the value is breaking, we are going to name it as a breakout point. We also know that the price has broken the resistance. Now we are going to draw a value area where the past price has drawn a consolidation area. In the consolidation area, there are two possibilities. In the breakout of consolidation area, either we get higher high or lower low. But in this case, the price is breaking out in the downside. It makes the new low point and we get the lower price. The moment of price is on main value area, but now it is breaking the value area and making a new value area, and it is joined, because of which we can call it the sub-value area. In this sub-value area, supply and demand are equal. Sellers and buyers are both satisfied in this price. By breaking out the main area, it seems like there could be another breakout in the sub-value area. Now I'm drawing a line which is simple and could be called as a versa line. That's what I call it, where the price from 26th March 2018 to 8th July 2019 and on the same date, that is 8th July 2019, the support line is getting broken. And you wonder what would happen next? Now it will act as a resistance line from 8th July 2019 to 20th January 2020. On 10th August 2020, the price is breaking the resistance level. Price is such a devilish factor that it breaks almost every level wherever it goes. Now, let us get into the resistance and support levels. Here, I'm mentioning the main resistance, which is 2558. The second resistance which I'm gonna show is 2020. And the third resistance is 1488. Now, I'm going to show the main support level, which is 1088. And the most important support level is 615. The current price is the highest price, and because of that, we are going to label it as higher high by denoting double capital H. And we can call 615 as the lower low by denoting double capital L. Here, in the middle of this parallel channel, I am drawing a control line, which is also called as a gravitational line. It touches the most of the price points. In general, the gravitational line is nothing but a force that attracts the price, which is the combination of both support and resistance levels. It is the line where the price spends most of its time and gets retraced back in the zone. Here, the price which are touching the control line mostly, I am labeling each one of them with white bold dots. Here, I have selected the icon tool, and from that I have selected the dots. Change the color of the dot and place it like this, 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 and last but not the least, this. Keep your dots properly visible so that it is easier for the viewers to look into this parallel channel. Now, to cover the average volume, I am drawing a red colored horizontal line. A red line because it looks eye-catching. I am drawing the line in two parts, which is breaking into the high volume and average volume. From 13th of April to 7th of September, we can see the volume is much more, because of which it is shown like the bulk of volume. In the present bulk of volume, we can see the bull power indicating that the bulls are in power. The line which I drew with the red color, I'm going to label it as the average volume line. Average volume line is nothing but a simple moving average line applied to take the volume based on a comparison of the current and previous closes. Breaking the average volume line, I have highlighted every spike. Price has already broken one value area and now is at the top of the other one. If it could not break the resistance, it would make the new support level. If it crosses the resistance level, it will break up the sub-value area. Below this line, we would be able to see low volume, and above the line, we can find the higher volume. You all can see I have mentioned a lot of volume spikes. Here are two chances to find the next movement of the price. First is that the volume is at the present period is more, because of which the resistance level has also been broken. The second is that if the sub value area is broken by the price, there are a lot of possibilities that the price would go higher. 2020 is the next resistance level. If it could not cross the resistance level, there would not be an upward move but will be a downward move.